Many people want to improve their smile, and there are some great dental options that can transform the way they look. From whitening to bonding to crowns and veneers. We'll tell you about all of those, but first, a success story. Suzanne was looking for a new job for the first time in years and wanted to make sure she looked her best.
There's a lot of people out there looking for work right now. I have to work in a professional field. I don't want to take a step back in my career.
Over the years, Suzanne's teeth had become worn and discolored. The way her teeth looked lowered her self-confidence.
I've oftentimes kept my mouth partially closed, or I didn't smile like I wanted to, and I can tell that through my pictures.
Now, Roseanne will be getting veneers on her top front teeth from Dr. Matt Agnini.
How you doing this morning, Roseanne?
I'm fine, how are you?
Pretty good. You ready for the big day?
Yeah, a little nervous, but I'm ready.
Suzanne's results in just a bit, but first, some other great options for transforming your smile. Professional tooth whitening is a safe and non-invasive way to get a dramatic result. Look at these before and after pictures. Your doctor may recommend an in-office technique like Zoom whitening.
It's coming in for usually about an hour session, and we have a higher concentration of bleach, and we monitor the patient's gums and that type of thing. And it's actually done in the office, so by the time you come and go, you end up with some whiter teeth.
Dental bonding is another great option. With just a visit or two, an Agnini family dental doctor can give chipped, worn, or poorly shaped teeth like these a brand new look like this. And bonding can do it while saving as much of the tooth as possible.
Traditional dentistry would take the tooth, and I call it putting it in the pencil sharpener and whittling the whole tooth down, taking away vital tooth structure, which gives that tooth strength. What we do here at Agnini Family Dental Center is what's called an onlay, which is like a conservative crown. Does the same thing as a crown, but what you do is save that healthy tooth structure so that tooth will last you a lot longer.
Minor staining and blemishes can disappear in minutes with dental bonding too. And it's also common for bonding and whitening techniques to be used together for the greatest results. Replacing old, leaky silver or amalgam fillings with white fillings and onlays can also make a dramatic difference in your smile. Old metal fillings like these get dark and corroded over time, and that can make the whole tooth look dark gray or even blue. But by replacing these dark metal fillings with new bonded white fillings and onlays, the teeth will not only look and feel new, they'll be stronger too.
What we do now is take out the old defective fillings and put in a bonded tooth-colored restoration. So no longer are we just filling a hole, but we're actually restoring the tooth back to its natural appearance.
Whether you're looking to improve your smile or you'd like an entire smile makeover, porcelain veneers may be a great option for you. Porcelain veneers are hand sculpted by skilled and talented lab technicians and can be as thin as a fingernail. They are bonded into place by your dentist, and they can completely change the color, shade, and shape of your teeth, so they look natural too.
We don't want them walking out and somebody going, hey, nice veneers. We don't want that at all. I think that's what a lot of people are afraid of getting anyway. That's why we use this diagnostic wax-up technique. So before we even take a burr to the tooth, they can actually get a rough idea of what their new teeth are going to look like.
And now, as promised, the results of Roseanne's smile makeover. Here's what her teeth looked like before, and then after. A great-looking smile that gave Roseanne renewed confidence as she looked for her new job.
It was quite a surprise because I was so used to being so careful as to how I smiled. It seemed nice to really be able to smile and feel that, I wasn't ashamed of my teeth. My teeth were white, they were straight, and since I work in a professional environment, it made me feel a lot better about myself.
And it gave her a really great uniform look as far as the shade and the function of the teeth. Where a lot of wear had occurred in the past, everything was much more natural and harmonious.
To find out about options like whitening, bonding, onlays, veneers, and orthodontics, call Agnini Family Dental today.